So in this video, we are going to perform a 4-point DFT for the following sequence: x of n is equal to 8480. Okay. So before that one, DFT means it is a discrete Fourier transform. I can see what is 4-point. So here, if this is my if this is a signal, okay, and this is your t, right? So t, and if I want to take a 4-point, the 4-point will be first, this is your first point, and this is your second point, and this is your third point, and this is your fourth point. The fourth point should be of equal distance, so you can see this must be of equal distance. Okay. And if I have this is another 4-point, right? This is my another 4-point. So if I match this one in the DFT form, so consider this is a circle. This point represent this one, and this one will represent this point, and this point will represent this one, and here it represent this one. So in the circle, if you see, this is if this is 1, okay, if this is 1, this is -1, and this will be -j, and this will be j. Okay, in DFT. Okay, so what I am going to write is okay, so taking 1, -1, j and -j, for x of 0 I'm going to multiply with 1 only. Okay, for in order to get capital X of 0. Okay, so if I this is my 4 input, and I'm going to get 4 output, that is a capital X of 0, 1, 2 and 3. So in order to get X of 0, I'm going to multiply this 8480 with 1 only. Okay, so if I multiply with 1, I will get so if you see the formula, x of k, that is equal to summation n is equal to 0 to n minus 1 x of n into e power minus j 2 pi of k n divided by capital M. Okay, so you will have 8 plus 4 plus 8 plus 0, so you will get 16 plus 4, 20 is your answer. X of 0 is equal to 20. Okay, so suppose in order to get x of 1, what I should do is I need to multiply 8 with 1, and 4 with minus j, 8 with minus 1, and 0 with j. Okay, so I have to write 1 minus j minus 1 j. Okay, 1 minus j minus 1 and j, 1 minus j minus 1 and j. So for x of 2, so you have to leave 1 point. So if I leave 1 point, you will get 1 minus 1. Another, if you leave this one, I will get 1, and next I will get minus 1. Okay, 1 minus 1, 1 and minus 1. For x of 3, I need to leave 3 points, so 2 points. Okay, so if I leave 2 points from starting from this one, 1. So if I leave 2 points, I will get 1 j. If I leave 2 points, I will get minus 1. If I leave 2 points, I will get minus j. So I will get 1 j minus 1 and minus j. Okay, so once if you solve this, you substitute this in the formula 8480, you will get the value of x of 0, x of 1, x of 2 and x of 3. Okay, so simple matrix multiplication will find the value of x of 0. X of 0, you know, right, addition of all the values. X of 1 is nothing but minus 4j, x of 2 is nothing but 12, and x of 3 is nothing but 4j. So if you see the answer of x of k, that is equal to 20 minus 4j, 12 and 4j. So here, if you leave the 20 value, and if you take this one as center, okay, these two value must be a complex conjugate value. So if it is minus 4j, this must be 4j. Okay, so if I find the magnitude response of this one, this is nothing but at x of 0 you will get 20, and this is nothing but 4, and this is 12, and this is 4. Okay, because root of 4 squared is nothing but 4, right? So if I want to find the phase response, phase response means if I have j value, that is tan inverse of imaginary term divided by a real term, right? So the tan inverse of this value goes to 0. Okay, so here it is minus 90, and for x of 3 it is 90 degree. So j represent 90 degree. Okay, so I hope this is useful for you. Let me find a 4 point for another example, like x of n is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. So usually 4 point means you will get only 4 values. Okay, so what is x of 0? X of 0 is nothing but addition of this value, that is 4. What is x of 1? X of 1 is equal to, you have to multiply this one with 1, right? So if I multiply this one with 1, you will get 1, this one with minus j, right, and this one with minus 1, and this one with j. So if I solve, I will get 0, right? 1 minus j minus 1, then j. What is x of 2? X of 2 is equal to, you have to multiply 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1. So if I solve 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, so you will get 0, that is also 0. What is x of 3? X of 3 is equal to, so you have to leave 2 points, right? 1, then plus j, then minus j, right? So 1, sorry, minus 1, minus 1, then plus j, 1 minus j. So here also you will get answer as 0. So what is x of k? X of k value is equal to 4 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. So that is your answer. So consider another example. X of n is equal to, so this is your second problem and this is your third problem. They are given it is 1 comma 0 comma 0 comma 0. Okay, what is x of 0? X of 0 is addition of this value, that is 1. X of 1, x of n is nothing but 1 plus anything. If you multiply, you will get 1 only. Next, say x of 2. X of 2 also, if you multiply this one with 1, and after that if you multiply with 0, you will have answer as 1. X of 3 also, you will get answer as 1. So x of k is equal to 1 comma 1 comma 1 comma 1. Okay, I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you.